welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a new video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, this Wi-Fi and some landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see on the screen reviews, satisfied dining, amenities, Category 5. We talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen the card present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is superb and guests get to enjoy the surroundings. Follow the description link. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. They will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel and you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our